How to verify Fiverr account. So if you want to verify your Fiverr account, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Fiverr application. After opening the application, now you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. And from your profile, you need to scroll down, and here you'll have account option. You can tap on account. Under settings, tap on account. In the account settings, there should be an option to edit your email. Go ahead and tap on that, then type in the email that you want. In my case, I've already added my email, but if you've not added your email address or if you've not verified your account, then in order to verify your account, you need to tap on the email, and then you need to enter your email address that you want to use for your Fiverr account. If you want to be extra safe, you can go back and then tap on the preferences option and then tap on security. Under security, you will have multi-factor authentication. You can turn this on. It's like adding a second lock to your account door. You'll receive a code sent to your phone whenever you log in from a new device. After you've updated your email or turned on extra security, you might get a verification code sent to you. Just check your email or phone for that code and type in what it's asked to you. And that's it. Once you enter the code, your Fiverr account should be all verified. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.